Hi, it's Tilly again, and welcome to the last video in this series. Last time I promised you something altogether quite different, and so today I would like to show you how the butterfly can be used as a prop to help with heart-opening asanas. Now, there's nothing new about the asanas or the use of props for support. What is new is how the wedge shape and fluid curves of the butterfly make for a very versatile and comfortable prop. Many people who've tried the following asana say that the butterfly works really well and is far more comfortable than when using a bolster or folded blankets. They can be really difficult to get even. So we're going to take a stand-up butterfly, this time the high side towards the head, and we're going to put it so that each of our wings is supported on each wing of the butterfly. And then once that's in position, I'm going to take a tall butterfly. You can use anything for this. I quite like using the tall butterfly because it means that my neck is offloaded, you can see there. Whereas when we use a cushion, we tend to have a lot more support around the neck. This is really nice for offloading the neck. But once I'm there, and then just allowing the arms to come palm uppermost as we would in a regular Shavasana. And as always with these positions, it just takes a few minutes just to land, the body to really land. This is a very, very gentle heart opening here. And for those people who spend all day sitting at an office, it can be a really nice and gentle way to start to encourage the body to move back into the opposite direction. The other one is a classic Iyengar heart opening and a little bit more strenuous. So let me just roll myself out of this one. So this time I'm going to have a flat butterfly, but you can use a cushion to hand, depending on how deep the pose is, how deep you can take it. So this time I've got the stand-up butterfly here with the high side towards the feet, just in the same way as it was when I put it underneath the pelvis. So I'm going to come up into a bridge and slide the butterfly all the way up onto the back of the ribs, but still below the shoulder blades. Now from here, what we want to do is lower the bottom down and make sure that it can reach the mat all the way really comfortably, and I can completely let go here. If this is too deep, then what we will do is bring in my case, a flat butterfly. You might be using a cushion, and you can see that makes it easier. And then we straighten the legs out. Once again, the arms just coming into the hand, palm uppermost position, and just slightly away from the body, really helping to widen out across the collarbones. And once I've been there for a couple of minutes, I might find that it feels really comfortable to go a little bit deeper. Make sure that the bottom always comes all the way down to the floor before straightening the legs away. So I hope you've all enjoyed learning how the butterfly can be used as a versatile prop as well as a seat. Continue to explore with it. It's just a prop. As long as you're comfortable, then yeah, feel free to explore. And let me know if there's some postures that I haven't covered that you discover. So it would be lovely to keep getting your feedback. Thank you again, and for all your support. And sit well and be well. Namaste.